Hello guys, this is a short, very short little vlog of me not posting a video last 2 months, 3 months or something. It's because I am focusing on my studies and stuff, and I am as well playing Yu-Gi-Oh cards, Yu-Gi-Oh stuff. The Minecraft series is not yet cancelled, and the Pokemon series is now I currently stopping it because I don't, it's kinda when something bad happened in the series of Pokemon of mine, and I don't know how am I gonna make a series. I'm gonna make a deck profile of this deck. I'm gonna make a deck profile of it eventually, but I kinda like having other stuff, other series like a Yu-Gi-Oh unboxing video, a Yu-Gi-Oh deck profile, what else, unboxing video, vlog. This is a vlog, first vlog of all, my very first vlog on my channel. So happy right now. But yeah, it's 8:55 p.m. today. It's Saturday. I'm sorry I did not make any videos. Sorry about that. And I reached 11 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you very much for that. Yeah. I suppose I would end it here. Yeah. Thank you very much for supporting me these days. Yeah. I'll eventually make a deck profile of this deck after this video got posted on YouTube. So it will be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace out, babies.